Purchase module. Here you can manage all entries related to store material purchase or raw material purchase. In case store material purchase, we need to follow this process. Start with indent entry. When indent is approved, we do inquiry entry. Then quotation entry. Compare the prices of vendors through quotation entry. After that we do purchase order other entry. Then GRN entry. And purchase bill entry. Store material is ready for payment. If you want to prepare bill directly, without any reference of purchase order in GRN, you can do this using purchase bill entry direct. In case raw material purchase, we need to follow this process. Start with purchase bargain. Then we do purchase order RM entry. Then we follow unloading process through gate module. After that we do GRN with bargain, and purchase bill entry. Store material is ready for payment. If you want to prepare bill directly, without any reference of purchase order in GRN, you can do this using purchase bill entry direct. When we need to purchase store material, we start with indent entry. Click on indent entry. Purchase indent entry form is used for purchasing store material. Click on Add button. Select indent type. Indent number and indent date, system generate automatically. Choose department. And enter indenter name. Enter requisition number. The request of required material is generated by the store department through requisition entry. Suppose your company required to purchase 10 Daal keywords. When request is generated through requisition entry, the entry shows stock of keywords which is 5. So we request to purchase only 5 Daal keywords in indent entry. Enter requisition number. Item name, request quantity is auto-filled according to requisition number. Enter cost center name, request date. And save it. According to the request generated by the store department, that will be verified by the management through indent entry, then forwarded to purchase inquiry department for indent approval. Click on indent final approval. Tick mark on approve and save it. When indent is approved, we do inquiry entry. Click on inquiry entry. This entry is used to generate inquiries of indent from vendors. This form is linked with indent entry. Based on indent details, here we generate inquiries from different vendors. Click on Add button. Select inquiry. Click on filter to filter the result grid table with indent number, department or cost center. Unlock it. Refresh the details of vendors in vendor grid. Click on fill vendor. Vendor details grid will automatically fill with indent item details. So, on behalf of this quantity we will select our vendors. Save it. This form is needed to approve. When inquiry entry is approved, we do quotation entry. Quotation entry is used to generate quotations of those vendors, which we selected in inquiry entry. This form is linked with inquiry entry, and all the data will automatically filled after the selection of inquiry number from inquiry column. Click on Add button. Select quotation entry. Quotation number is generated automatically. Enter supplier name. Data will come from the supplier master. Enter vendor quotation number. Against form, select tax forms that will be comes from voucher type settings form applied section. Select inquiry number. That will comes from the inquiry entry, based on the selection of supplier. Item name will appear according to the inquiry number. Enter quotation quantity and item rate. Save it. We do quotation entry for other vendors. Compare the prices of different vendors. Click on Comparative Chart. Enter inquiry number and last rate. Click on Show. Here is the list that shows the price of different vendors. The rate of each keyboards of AK Traders is 350. And the rate of each keyboards of Bajaj Enterprise is 400. So we select vendor that provides affordable rate. After comparing price, we do purchase order other entry. Purchase order other entry is used to prepare order against purchasing of store items. This form is linked with quotation entry. You can also directly make an order on behalf of indent or without any indent. Click on Add button. Choose purchase order type. Select supplier name that provide affordable rate. Against form. Select quotation number that will comes from quotation entry. Item data will appear according to the quotation number or indent number in item detail table grid. Or you can also select item name directly from grid while making order without any quotation. User can see the indent details here and fill the order quantity. TOL. Here we define the excess and shortage tolerance quantity on behalf of order quantity. PRM. Here we mention the item quality parameter that will comes from quality specification master. Save it. And approved it. User can do GRN entry after purchase order entry or directly make the GRN entry. Store GRN form is used as goods receiving note, without bargain. This form is linked with purchase order other entry. Click on Add button, and select type. Enter party challenge number. Select supplier. Enter manufacturer bill number, and date. Against form, select tax forms. Tick mark on purchase order. All the data will fill automatically in grid after the selection of purchase order number. Enter cost center name. Select go down. Gate entry is optional. Save it. And approved it. When store GRN entry is approved, we do purchase bill entry. Purchase bill entry form is used to prepare final bill of party after GRN entry. Click on Add button, and select bill type. Enter party bill number, and date. Select party name. GRN number will show automatically in the GRN grid, based on the selection of party name and against form. Tick mark on GRN number, all the data will automatically fill into the grid. Select purchase account. Save it. Approve it. Store material is ready for payment. When we purchase raw materials, first we do purchase bargain entry. Purchase bargain entry is used for purchasing bulk quantity of raw material through agent or party for fixed rate dealing. Click on Add button. Select Purchase Bargain against GST. Select party name, data will come from the supplier master. City name will appear according to the party name. Enter broker name, data will come from the agent supplier master. Enter purchase bargain expire date. Select item name, data will come from the item master. Packing size, data will come from the packing master. Number of packs. Impurity description, data will come from the impurity master. Enter rate. Save it. Approve it. When purchase bargain entry is verified, we do purchase order RM entry. Purchase order RM entry is used to raise order against any bargain. Click on Add button, select voucher type. Select supplier, against form is automatically select according to supplier. Enter broker name. Tick mark on bargain details, all the data will fill in grid according to selected bargain number. Save it. Approve it. When purchase order is verified, we do unloading entry through gate module. Unloading process consists of token entry, pre-sampling, Lab test. Advise note entry. Gate entry. First weighment. Unloading entry. Second weighment. After that we do GRN with bargain entry. GRN with bargain entry form is used as goods receiving note with bargain. Click on Add button, select Good Receive Note. This form is linked with gate entry. Enter party challan number and date. Select supplier, sales agent, against form. Enter gate entry number. All the data will autofill in both the grids, after the selection of gate entry number. Click on Lab to check the lab details, and tick Mark it. Check order details here. Enter cost center name. Save it. Approve it. When GRN entry is approved, we do purchase bill entry. Click on Add button, and select bill type. Enter party bill number, and date. Select party name. GRN number will show automatically in the GRN grid, based on the selection of party name and against form. Tick mark on GRN number, all the data will automatically fill into the grid. Select purchase account. Save it. Approve it. Raw material is ready for payment. Purchase bill entry direct form is used to prepare bill directly, without any reference of purchase order in GRN. Click on Add button, select bill type. Enter party bill number. Select party name. Broker name. Against form. Enter item name. Lot number. Quantity. SKU. Cost center and item rate. Select purchase account. Save it. Approve it. Purchase return entry. Purchase return form is used to fill return detail of the item against purchase. This form is linked with purchase bill and purchase direct bill. Click on Add button, select bill type. Select against form, supplier name, VR number. All the details will automatically fill into the grid after the selection of purchase bill number from VR number column. Enter reason, fix as per Indian government. Select purchase account. Save it. Approve it. If you want to check and print reports, you can check here. For example, if you want to check report of purchase order life cycle, click on it. Filter your report according to given fields. And click on View. This is the report of purchase order life cycle. You can also check report of item history, indent register, quotation register, purchase order register store, purchase order register bargain, purchase order life cycle, GRN register, purchase register, purchase return register, party-wise or item-wise average rate, purchase bargain register, purchase brokerage statement, item-wise material report, MRN register average rate basis, MRN register, GRN outstanding report against bill, material QC not receipt in GRN, GRN expense register, purchase summary item-wise, Challan register, MIS report, pending bargain register, purchase register tax-wise, purchase summary purchase account-wise, purchase register average rate, Mandy report, farmer purchase bargain versus advise rate, purchase Challan summary, date-wise purchase register, party status report, interest calculation for creditors, purchase bargain with terms and condition register, freight report.